Welcome to the video today, guys. Today we're going to do something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I don't know how many people are into lawns, but I really like my lawn to be nice. I like the grass to be level. I don't like it to be bumpy when I mow. And if you can tell, we've got this trouble spot right here where there's a lot of bare patches and a real bad bare patch. So we're going to try to fix that this fall. I've been putting it off. I like the lawn to be level like that. That still needs to be leveled, but it looks level once you mow it. This is painful to mow. This side is worse than this side, but because this is a smaller patch, I'm going to try to level it out, reseed it, and then we'll go from there. So we're going to do the first fall level process over here, just because it's real small. It's real expensive to redo your lawn. I did purchase a yard butler. So we're hoping to do this entire renovation for under $50. We're going to be right at $50 because you can check this out on Amazon. I got it from Amazon. I believe it was like 30 some dollars. And then I got one bag of grass seed, which was $15. So I'll leave links down in the description below so that you can check those out. But what we're going to do is the goal for this section is to get grass in all of the spots, just to grow. Like, we don't care if it's super level, but we are going to take and try to get some of this stuff leveled out. Let me show you. So if you look, you can see there's, I don't know, about a 2-inch divot right there, and they're all over the lawn. There's lots of spots where there's big holes in the lawn, and we're just gonna try to get them filled in. But we really wanted to get it so that the grass is growing first, so that in the spring, if it's still bumpy, we can smooth it out. So we just got to get the grass to grow, because that is the hardest part, is getting the grass to grow. Anybody can level their lawn, but to get the grass to grow after they do it, that is the challenge. So we're going to use the yard butler to start aerating so all the water and the nutrients can get down into the soil to let the grass grow. So basically all you do is you just step on it, and then it takes a chunk out. Like, I mean, the ground's so hard right here that it barely even went down into the ground. But at least it will poke a little hole so a little bit of water can get down into the ground, and then that'll allow the roots to expand. So we're just going to try to go every so far just to poke a little hole. Went through and we poked holes through this whole section of the yard, all the way from the tree to the driveway into the cement. Now we're gonna go get our compost that we've been making for the last couple of years by cleaning out the horse barn and turning it over, adding leaves and any kind of other organic material. And then we'll take and spread it around down there to get it nice and level. Then we'll put our grass seed down. The kind of grass seed we're going to use is just this Jonathan Green Black Beauty Ultra Supreme grass seed mixture. It was the cheapest one besides the store brand that had mostly weeds in it. So we decided to go with this. The mixture on it is pretty good. I was mostly impressed with the germination rate. Because that's the hardest part, is getting your grass to grow. So if you got a high germination rate, that's a pretty good chance that your grass is going to grow properly. But it's mostly tall fescue. That's kind of what I'm going for in the grass. And then as we go on, we may mix some other kinds in. But the important part was the 0% weed seed. now that we got our dirt spread out on our grass, what we're going to do is we're going to use the rake that we own. It's just a regular old landscaping rake, and we're going to take and smooth it out the best we can. Deep down, we really want a leveling rake, but because they're like $140, that's going to have to wait because it's not in the budget. And like I said, we're going to try to do this as a low-cost renovation for like a fairly small yard. So like if you lived in town or the trailer park or something like that, like this is probably how big your lawn is. And I mean, it would only cost $50 to get your lawn looking nice. So then what we're going to do is we're just going to take the back of our rake and we're just going to take and push the dirt around into the low spots. Try to smooth it out the best we can. Ideally, you would want dirt without rocks in it, because those will wreck your lawnmower. But because we're doing this DIY with low budget, we're going to use the dirt we have, and we don't have a screen to fix that problem. But I'm going to get to leveling this out. So we made pretty good progress. We got some dirt spread around. We're gonna call that good for now. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit, so that'll be beneficial to us. And then we will, we're gonna spread out our grass seed and pray it grows. Well, it looks pretty rough right now. I'm sure in a few days it'll green up and the grass will start growing. But hope you found this helpful. If you want to see what it looks like once the grass starts growing, make sure you subscribe. If you want to see other lawn leveling videos, make sure you check out the links in the sidebar or down below. Thanks for watching.